everyone, I'm Olga from PrimeLang. PrimeLang is premium language service. Today I'd like to offer you to start learning Spanish. We will review salutations, the ways we can greet people, the ways we can ask how people are and answer these questions, and the ways we can say goodbye. Then we will look at the conjugation of the verb ser, to be. And finally we will look at the Spanish alphabet. So let's begin. First of all, salutations. Hola. This is hi, the informal version. Buenos días. This is hello or good afternoon, more formal. And buenas tardes. This is good afternoon or good evening, also a bit more formal. Please pay attention to the endings of the adjectives buenos in the one case and buenas in the other case. This happens because the noun días in Spanish is masculine, so buenos gets o in the ending, and the noun tardes is feminine, so the adjective buenas gets the ending a. So buenos días and buenas tardes. So these are the ways we can greet people. Now, how can we ask how people are doing? The easiest way is by saying ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? This is how are you? And other ways are ¿Cómo estás? If you are addressing someone to whom you are talking informally, because in Spanish we will get both forms, formal and informal you. This will be a bit more complicated than in English. ¿Cómo estás? And the formal version will be ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Now, how do we answer this question? Bien, gracias. This is fine, thank you. Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? And you, informal. ¿Y tú? ¿Y usted? And you, formal. ¿Y usted? Other ways to answer the question are regular, if we are doing not so well, so, regular. And mal, if things are bad. So, bien, regular, mal. Finally, the ways we can say goodbye. Hasta luego and hasta pronto. Both mean see you soon. And adios is also a bit more formal and it means goodbye. Hasta luego, hasta pronto, adios. Now, let's move to the verb ser, which in English is to be. Here is how it is conjugated in Spanish. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros, nosotras somos, vosotros, vosotras sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. So, first of all, the forms of the verb once again. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. And now let's have a closer look at the pronouns. First of all, you should keep in mind that in Spanish, unlike English, you will most likely not use them if you have a conjugated verb. For example, if you have a form of the verb ser that we have just reviewed, you will not need the personal pronoun, because the form itself already indicates who we are talking about. For example, if we say soy Maria, it will mean I'm Maria, and you don't need the pronoun yo itself. Now let's discuss what kinds of pronouns there are in Spanish. Yo is I in English. Tú is you, the informal version and talking to one person only. Él is he. Ella is she. And usted is the formal version of you, also talking to one person only. Please pay attention that in Spanish usted is the third person singular, so it's the same as he and she, él and ella. Now, let's look at the plural pronouns. Nosotros, we, and there is also a form used if we are talking only about females. It's nosotras, the ending a once again. So, if we are talking about several women or girls, we will use nosotras. But if we have males only or a mixed group of males and females, we will use nosotros. The same happens in the second person, plural. Vosotros and vosotras, for females only. Ellos and ellas, if we are talking about several females. And finally, there is also ustedes, a plural form if we are addressing several people in a formal way. So, for you in English, we have the following pronouns in Spanish. Tú, one person informal. Usted, one person formal. Vosotros, vosotras, several people informal. And ustedes, several people formal. Finally, let's have a look at the Spanish alphabet. As you can see, it is very similar to the English one. The only problem is the pronunciation of the letters. So let's try to read it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. This is all for today. Please remember that at PrimeLang you can order individual and group online language classes. For details, please contact us on Skype PrimeLang, PRIMELANG. Bye!